Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out another palette from Colourpop, which I've just had a look online and they don't even sell anymore, so that's great. This is the It's a Mood palette from Colourpop. They sent this to me, well, I'm guessing quite a while ago now, considering it's not on the website anymore. I'm really sad that they got rid of this because it actually looks stunning. It's got really nice like jewel tones. And yeah, I don't know, I think it's a beautiful palette. But yeah, I can't believe they don't sell anymore. That's such a shame. I just had a look on the website though, and it looks like they have a lot of similar palettes with like these kind of jewel tones and things like that. So even if you don't own this palette, you know, I'm sure you can use similar colours. Alright, let's prime the eyes. Taking my P. Louise base. I'm trying, this month my goal has been to like use like half of all the new makeup and stuff that I have, and it's honestly a little bit harder than what I thought because I have so many things in certain categories. So for example, I have so many lip products and so many blushes, but then like I can't just film a video using lip products and blushes. So it's kind of like hard. I don't have like enough, you know, I don't have any bronzers, I have a couple of highlighters, but you know, I don't have any primers or concealers or powders or anything like that, so it's just like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so I really want to do something kind of like jewel tone today. So I'm kind of thinking these like 3 colours here, we have, where'd they go? These ones? I kind of want to do something with those, but I also don't know, oh, it's scary to me because I don't really know how to do it. And yeah, don't know. Anyway, so I think the first shade I'm going to take is called Oblivion, and I'm going to, I think I'm going to put it in the inner corner and like do something like that. I was going to do it like the whole way and then put the blue and then put the purple, but I think what I'm going to do is do it in the inner corner and then like do it like that. On the eye it does not look as green, kind of comes out more like brown. It's honestly looking a bit like a bruise, I can't lie. It seems to be grabbing. God, I hope this turns out. This is something that's kind of different for me, so... Okay, next I'm going to take the shade called Don't Deny. I'm scared, that looks so... Oh my god, what? This is... I feel like this is weird for Colourpop shadows. Like, they're not normally like this. I don't know, this is like... One, all of the fallout, but also... That was so weird. I dipped it in there and it just... I did not know if this was going to turn out or not, guys. These are super, super pigmented. And like Colourpop shadows are pigmented, but not normally like this. Before we go any further, I'm going to blend. Okay. Next, I'm taking the shade called Echoes and it's a purple. Can't lie, I'm quite scared. I wonder why they got rid of this palette. Like, I feel like it wasn't sent to me too long ago, like maybe like 2 years ago, which I guess is actually a long time, but you know what I mean. Like, why do I kind of feel like it's a little bit of a vibe? Like, is it kind of looks like a slushy, you know, like when you go to like the, like, I don't know, fair or whatever, and you get like a slushy and you mix all the colours together. It kind of looks like that. Or is it just looking really muddy? I kind of want to go in and re-intensify the colours. So I'm going to go into the Oblivion shade first, which is the green. Then we will go into Don't Deny, which is the blue. I just cannot honestly get over how pigmented the blue is. Guys, this palette is a mess, by the way, from all the fallout. So this does have fallout in the pan, just so you're aware. I want to show you. I don't know if I'll be able to, but it's all over my laptop as well. Right, and then I'll go into the last shade, which is Echoes. So I'm going to do a full cut crease today. Also, I need to get this off my eye because it's really annoying me. Yes, I'm going to do a full cut crease today. So I'm going to go off camera, cut the crease, and hopefully we can make this look semi-decent. Yeah, I will be back. Okay, so I've cut the crease and I just am really struggling to kind of decide what shimmer to go with, because there's like, I don't know. That's kind of cool actually. We could do that. Do I do the whole thing shimmer? Like, I don't know. Because I was gonna go for like yellow, but yellow I just don't think is right. Like, I don't know. Maybe that thunder shade. That's cool too, but I feel like we've obviously already got blue. Maybe we'll do the thunder shade. And do I do something like on the outer corner, like a matte shade, or I kind of want to put a matte shade on the outer corner. There's that, or there's that kind of might be cool actually. I feel like I'm kind of always doing the same kind of thing, so I thought it'd be like fun to do something different. This is called Mystified. So what I could do is I kind of want to draw it on, like leave a bit of space. I'm going to put that on the outer corner anyway. This shade is very patchy. Why? These shades are super pigmented. They're also just, well, this one at least anyway is like very patchy. This is giving me kind of like space vibes. I'll be so interested to know if this actually comes out looking okay or not. I feel like you can just never tell until you've got your liner and your lashes and it's all cleaned up. I'm just going to blend that as well. They're different shapes, but I feel like obviously when I clean it up, they won't be. Let's take the thunder shade, which is like the shimmer. This is a really cool shimmer shade actually. Just patting that on and then we'll blend it in a mini. This looks like the biggest mess right now, but we might be able to pull it together. I hope so, because I have videos to film after this. So if this looks like shit, then got a problem. Alright, I'm gonna go back into this little brush here and just like blend those. Now I kind of want to do like, I kind of want to line something, so these liners by Glam Radar are actually so cool, but I don't know if I'd be able to get them in there. I've also got this Halo Glow by XO Beauty. That could kind of be a vibe. I could put that like in there. Let's do that. This is the one in the XO Beauty Eye Halo in Stella. Let's do that. I'm gonna like put it through the cut crease. It's like this pretty like duochrome color, so I feel like that's perfect. I'm gonna take like a little liner brush. Okay, it does look cool. I kind of wish I took something that had like a bit more base pigment though, but that's on me. Like, it looks cool when it looks cool when you turn your head and stuff. No, it does look cool. I just feel like it's subtle, but that's fine. The worst part is this still might look bad. I've invested a lot of time and energy, and this still might end up just looking ass. Oh my god, I just don't know. I have been dropping so much lately. I feel like I never have a grip on anything that I'm holding these days. So I've got going. I don't know. Now, I've never done this before, but I kind of want to do like this smudgy eyeliner. I feel like I tried to do it once and it didn't work. But I have this little, I've got this little Peaches and Cream Cleopatra eyeliner. And it's like black, and I want to try and like use that. I've never done it, so I'm scared. I really like Peaches and Cream. It's a really nice brand. So that's the liner there. Let's try. So I think you just kind of take it like there and just, oh, I don't know. This could really ruin the look, but I mean, is it even looking that good at the moment anyway? Okay, that's kind of what I got going at the moment. And then I'm gonna take this type of brush, like smudge it out. It's not really smudging the way I kind of thought it would. It's kind of like, once it's down, it's kind of like not really moving. It's like good because obviously, you know, it's not gonna get all around on your face and that, but I really needed to be able to, like, I thought that I'd be able to work with it a little bit more. Now I don't know if it just looks silly, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't really love it. I wonder if I should just do a liner to go over it. It would have been fine if I could have like smudged it out more, but it just wasn't moving, so alright, I feel like that looks better. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'll clean this up and hopefully it looks okay. So I will see you guys soon. Okay, this is the finished look. I actually think I like it now. It's kind of grown on me. It's obviously a little bit out there, not your typical everyday look, but I do quite like it. So that is a close-up. Actually, I think it's quite pretty. I'm really sad that they don't have this palette anymore because I think this palette is beautiful and I think there's so many different looks that you could create with it. I was really shocked at the pigment of this palette because like that blue shade was just packing a punch, which is nice, but there was, yeah, so much fallout and just not what I expected. Like Colourpop shadows are good and they're pigmented, but that was like on a whole different level. So also I've already used this, but I just wanted to give a shout out. This is the Glam Light and Rick and Morty collection, and can we just like, is this not the perfect highlight for today's look? So stunning. It's a duochrome little highlight palette. Anyway, that is everything for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.